Good morning, all of you. I hope you all must be in good health. So now today we'll start exercise 12.1. Question number 1. Question says that in an equilateral triangle whose side is A, we have to find its area using Heron's formula. And then if the perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area? So in first case, we have an equilateral triangle ABC. Each side is A. This is an equilateral triangle ABC, each side as A. Now we'll find out the area of this equilateral triangle using Heron's formula. So first, once again I will tell you the formula for Heron's is under root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now what is S? S is called the semi-perimeter. So what is the perimeter? A plus A plus A. Sum of all the sides, A plus A plus A upon 2. So what will come? S equal to 3A upon 2. A plus A upon 2 is 3A upon 2. Now when we find the area is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So in place of S, I will write 3A upon 2. So in place of S, what will come? 3A upon 2. So now 3A, S minus A, that is 3A upon 2 minus A. Then again 3A upon 2 minus A. And 3A upon 2 minus A. So what you will get? 3A upon 2 multiply. On simplifying this, you will get A upon 2 multiply. Again you will get A upon 2. And here also you will get A upon 2. So on simplifying this, you will get 3 as it is, A into A into A into A, that is A to the power 4. And 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. So this expression you will get inside the under root sign, which can be written as now 16 whole square is 16 under root is 4. So we'll write 4. This is A to the power 4. What is the under root of A to the power 4? It is A to the power 2. And this root 3 will come as it is. It will be inside the root only. So this is the answer, root 3 upon 4 A square. So this you can learn as a formula also, that area of an equilateral triangle whose side is A is given by root 3 upon 4 A square. Now for the second part, perimeter is given 180 centimeter. This is an equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 180. So each side will be 180 divided by 3, that is 60 centimeter. So this is the value of A now. So we can use this formula also directly. Root 3 by 4 into A square. Now what is the value for A in this question? 60. So what is the area? Using the above formula directly, area will be root 3 upon 4 A square. In place of A, what you will write? 60. So root 3 by 4, that is A square. That means 60 square. So square of 60 will be 3600. And when you cancel it by 4, it will be 900. So answer is 900 under root 3. So this is the question. This is question number 1. Now moving on to the second question. What is given? A triangle is given ABC whose sides are 122, 120 and 22. We have to find out first its area. So for area, the formula is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now what is S? Semi-perimeter. So I have taken out the value for S is 120 first side, 22 second side, third side is 122 upon 2. That means what will come? 132. 264 upon 2 is 132. So what is the value of S? 132. So putting the value of S 132 minus first side is A, I have taken 120, B, I have taken 122 and C, I have taken 22. So on simplifying this expression, you will get this term 132 into 12 into 10 into 110. Now what I will do, I will factorize all the terms. 132 factors are 2, 2, 3 and 11. 12 are 2, 2, 3. 10 we can write 2 into 5. 110 we can write 2 into 5 into 11. Now I will write all the factors directly, and first I will write all the 2's. How many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 2 is coming. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 how many times? 2 times. 3 and 3. 5 how many times? 2 times. 5 and 5. And 11 is also coming 2 times. One is this, other is this. So now out of these 6 2's, we can form pair of 2. 3 pairs can be formed. So out of these first pair, 2 will come outside the root sign. Out of these 2, 1, 2 will come outside. Here 2 will come. Here 3 will come. Here 5 will come. And here out of these 2, 11 will come. So this is the answer. On multiplying this, the area is 1320. Now in the second part of this question, it is given that if we give it in rent and the company gets rupees 5,000 per year. So what is the rent? Rupees 5,000 for 12 months. So what will be the rent for 1 month? It will be 5,000 divided by 12. And what will be the rent for 3 months? 5,000 upon 12 into 3. So what is the rent for 3 months? 1250. It is a rent 1250 for 3 months per meter square. Now what is the total meter square? 1320. This is the total area. So this total area 1320 will multiplied by 1250. So we'll get the total rent paid. So answer is 1650000. So try these two questions first.